Alright, it's 8:08 and we've been getting a lot of rain and a lot of wind. Sometimes the gust is really strong. It's a little bit less now, of course, because I'm filming, but it was really blowing really hard. So I film a couple of times throughout the day, times throughout the day and night, and just give you an idea of how it is. I did a live stream earlier if you want to see what how it was around that time. I'm not going to film too long like this. But at this moment we still have power, as you can see. So far has not been that bad. But that flagpole over there, that's really been blowing hard. I'm amazed that thing hasn't blown off yet. Alright, I'm just going to do some short clips. Don't know how many of these I'm going to do. If we lose power for a while, it'll be a while before I get these up, but at least people will be able to see them. Well, it's 10:57, and boy, you could really hear that blowing inside the house. It goes up and down. Definitely fairly powerful. Well, it's almost 1 a.m. and the situation hasn't really changed. Still a lot of rain and wind. You get some really powerful wind gusts. You hear it inside the house, and you see some debris floating around and this plant stuff. But other than that, this has not been that bad. At least for my area. There's places on the coast I know that got it a lot worse. But so far here, no, it hasn't been that bad at all. I was a lot more worried, and we still have power, as you can see. I know there's places here in this county that doesn't, so I'm lucky, and hopefully it'll continue. But I just wanted to film another little update. Okay. Well, it is at about 3:30, a few minutes after, and I really thought we were going to lose power as the lights flickered, the TV went off, but it's still on. It's still blowing a lot. It hasn't really changed. Still getting a lot of rain and a lot of wind, I know that. There's moments where it's worse than others, then it seems to start to slow down, and it speeds up again. It's those wind gusts. As you can see, there's still a lot of rain out there.